Imagine waking up to breaking news. Israel and Iran are officially at war. Missiles fly, alliances activate, and the world watches in fear. Could this be the beginning of World War III? The tension between Israel and Iran has been building for decades. Iran's nuclear ambitions, Israel's preemptive strikes. Both countries view each other as existential threats. What if Iran launches a missile strike on Tel Aviv? Or Israel targets Iranian nuclear sites again? That's not just a regional conflict, it's a global trigger. The US is a close ally of Israel. Russia and China have economic and military ties with Iran. In a matter of days, NATO could be involved. And just like that, superpowers are dragged in. Hezbollah attacks from Lebanon, Hamas from Gaza. The Strait of Hormuz closes, oil prices skyrocket. The Middle East becomes a battlefield. If Israel feels cornered, would they use tactical nukes? If Iran's regime collapses, could chaos spill into neighboring countries? Suddenly, we're not just talking about a war. We're talking about the collapse of global order. Would it really trigger World War III? Maybe not instantly, but if the right alliances activate, if the right dominoes fall, the world could spiral into chaos faster than we think. History is fragile. All it takes is one miscalculation. So, what do you think? Could this really be the beginning of World War III? Comment below.